Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make fruit custard. So for that, I have a pan over here, and to which I'm going to add around 1 liter of milk. This is full fat milk, or the milk in which the cream is not removed. So we're going to boil this. Also, make sure that you keep stirring once a while in between. So while my milk is boiling, I have around 2 tablespoons of custard powder. Here I'm using vanilla flavor, and I have some milk. So the measurement goes like this. So if you're using half liter of milk, you can use 2 tablespoons of custard powder. So since I'm using 1 liter of milk, I have taken 4 tablespoons of the custard powder, and to which I'm adding some milk. So this is room temperature milk, and I'm adding a few tablespoons, around 4. While you're mixing, make sure that there are no lumps in this custard mixture. So you can see that our custard milk is without any lumps. So once you have noticed that the milk has started to bubble, or it has begun to boil, we'll add our custard milk which we had prepared. And we'll mix it well. The reason why we are adding it right now is because we want the custard mixture to cook well. So we'll boil this for another 3 to 4 minutes. So as you can see, the milk has thickened well because of the custard powder. And now I'm going to add some sugar. So this is half cup of white sugar which I'm adding. The reason why I'm adding less sugar is because later, after we cool the custard, I'm going to add some fruits in it. So I want the sweetness of the fruits to be there as compared to the sweetness of the sugar. So we'll again mix this well until the sugar dissolves completely. So it's been 3 to 4 minutes since we have added the custard milk which we had prepared earlier. So now I'm going to switch the gas off, and we're going to let this cool completely before we add the fruits in this. So I'm going to put this inside the refrigerator. If you want, you can also leave it just like that to cool, so that the milk cools naturally. So my custard has been cooling in the freezer for around 2 hours, and you can see how thick it has become, and it's become very creamy also. So to this I'm going to add a few fresh fruits. You can add any fruits of your choice. So here I have taken half cup of black grapes. I have taken finely chopped mangoes. I have taken a few dry fruits, like I have taken a few sultanas and sliced almonds. I have a few cherries which I have finely chopped, and I have a few pieces of fruit cake. So this is completely optional. If you do not have fruit cake, it's fine. You can use any other fruit as per your choice, any seasonal fruit. So now I'm going to add all the fruits to the custard. You can add even cashews if you want. I'm adding a few pieces of bread now. The cake, sorry. So You can add all the fruits before you serve. So once you have added all the fruits, so I like my custard to be a little watery like this, but if you prefer it thick, you can add more fruits or lessen the quantity of the custard. So I have a bowl here in which I'm going to serve my custard. And now I'm going to garnish this with some almonds and some chopped cherries. So voila, your custard is ready now.